Rain finally stopped. And people parked in the spot that I like to park at, so I had to take the long way to where I like to go here. I feel better. I still sound under the weather, but I promise I feel better. Let's get one. Let's go. Let's go. I was not here long at all. Let's freaking go, yo. Let us freaking go. 5.5 minutes. I am so happy this didn't take long. Let's go. Love catching fish on a holiday. And this is catch 6-7. Had to do it. Let's go. I do feel a lot better than I did on Friday. Glad the rain hopefully stopped. My 67th catch. Had to do it. A very happy Memorial Day. God bless all those who served. Thank you. Thank you very much. First catch of the week is in the books. Whee! All right. I thought I was going to lose him over there. Glad I reeled him in. Let's go. I'm glad I caught that pickerel and got a couple more bites. I'm actually going to change spots before coming home to watch baseball. Let's go. Yo! 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 I caught my first trout! I caught my first trout! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh! Oh my god! I caught my first rainbow trout! Wasn't even trying! Oh my god! Bro. Wow. My first ever rainbow trout. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Wow. That is lit. That's so fucking lit. Let's go. Caught my first ever rainbow trout at Rowan. Wasn't even trying. Oh man. Let's go. I was not letting this one get away. No. Let's go. He swam away. He's all right. Let's go. What a catch. I'm good. That's awesome. I'm glad I continued to record even on my phone. The fish swam away. He's good. Reason why I did not keep him. 1, he was small. 2, I don't have a trout stamp. So I do not target trout. That just happened to be a, well, guess I caught a rainbow trout. My days met, my holidays met. There he was right over there. And I reeled him in. When I did revive him, he did swim away. So, wow, happy Memorial Day. This is going on now, not on Saturday, because it's a holiday. Matt Goes Fishing NJ, 68 catches. See you soon. Woo! Weekend off to a good start. Just reeled in catch 69. Let's go. No joke today, but come on, that's hilarious. All right. Catch 69 in the books. Let's go. Now to figure out how to release him. I throw him that way, but see what happens. Catch 69. Thanks, dude. Whee! All right. He's good. Let's get another one. Let's go. I made it to the shore. Really windy today. Really freaking windy. Hopefully I catch something. That'd be nice. There's a guy fishing over there. Get me one. Let's go.